Oh no, you've stumbled into the Mega Machina. We only asked one simple question. What could they possibly have been thinking? Witness the most reckless chainsaw logic imaginable, with everyone just inches away from disaster. Oh man. Oh no.
Oh shit.
What was the plan here? Some people take risk to another level. This is a textbook face cut failure. This man had zero control over the fall. Would a proper wedge and back cut have saved it? Maybe, but doubtful. At this point, you're basically collecting firewood. A 50mm bore, a hollow core, and a whole lot of wishful thinking. Who needs a roller coaster when you've got a logging truck winding down a mountain road? That's real adrenaline. Every delivery is a mix of instinct, skill, and pure nerve. That's logging life. Mud, weight, and a surprise around every corner. Thankfully, he walked away from it. He is okay. We bless God. Good thing the operator pulled him out just in time. Logging isn't only about cutting. It's about knowing what fire damage hides beneath the bark. A fire-weakened tree can look solid until it collapses the moment the saw touches it. Smoke bursts out like a warning flare. Every cut risks ignition. That takes guts.
Both piping them.
There's something special about seeing a 1972 Kenworth still grinding through the woods. That old Big Cam Cummins paired with a Spicer transmission is rolling history in the Oregon mud. Machines like that helped build the Pacific Northwest. Hearing an old frick blade tear into walnut is like watching history breathe. You can almost feel the vibration in your ribs as the sawdust lifts. Watch how fast that hydraulic arm moves, slicing roots like warm butter. Dust, snapping wood, and another giant brought down by sheer hydraulic force. Heat.
Oh my God.
Mission accomplished, and the mailbox survived.
You got it!
Every climb teaches the same lesson. Traction beats horsepower. You can have endless torque, but if the load isn't balanced, the mountain wins. Ignore weight limits, and this is what you get. And then there's the LKT-81 skidder, dragging entire tree lines uphill like it's nothing. The engine growls, chains dig in, and the forest rumbles in reply. Brutal, loud, effective. Exactly what the job demands. That spinning wheel looks like something out of a horror film. The guard helps, but that open side chills. Maybe install a plexiglass shield before dialing down the wheel speed. In a world of roaring machines, horse logging feels timeless. Jizen, a trained draft horse, follows Hansa's voice, pulling timber without damaging young trees or soil. Breeds like Percheron, Ardennais, and Noriker have kept Europe's logging traditions alive for centuries. It's more than labor, it's heritage. Some people shovel driveways. This monster clears half a forest. The Timberjack 810V laughs at cold mornings and icy ground. Only a handful of operators have the experience to handle it.